As a supervisor, one of your most important tasks is knowing what your agents are doing at any given moment. The Supervisor Dashboard shows every agent's real-time status right inside each cue card. Let's look at how to read these indicators. Each agent row has a colored status dot and a status badge. Green means available. The agent is logged in and ready to take calls. Blue means queue call. They're currently on a call that came through the queue. Cyan means on call, a direct or personal call. Yellow means paused, and it shows the reason like break, lunch, or meeting. Gray means logged out. The agent isn't taking queue calls right now. Each queue card lists only the agents assigned to that queue. So, if you have a sales queue and a support queue, each one shows its own agent roster. The table is sorted by status. Agents on calls appear first, then available agents, then paused, and finally logged out agents at the bottom, dimmed so they don't distract from your active team. Two columns you'll want to watch are calls and tier. The calls column shows how many queue calls that agent has handled today in this specific queue. It resets daily so you can track productivity at a glance. The tier column shows the agent's priority level. Lower numbers get calls first. An agent with tier 0 will ring before tier 1. Below the individual queue sections, you'll find the All Agents table. This is your cross-queue view. Every agent appears once, and the queues column lists all the queues they belong to. This is especially helpful when an agent covers multiple queues. You can see their overall status and all their queue memberships in one row without scrolling through each queue card. The dashboard refreshes every 5 seconds automatically, so you always have a current picture of your team. Statuses, call counts, and agent positions all update in real time without needing to reload the page. That's how you monitor your agents in the Supervisor Dashboard.